Hi friends, welcome to Learner Ansari Java tutorial. In this tutorial, you are going to learn what is JDK, JRE, and JVM, as well as the use of JDK, JRE, and JV. Yeah. So actually, what it is and what is the use of it. So let us learn one by one. Let's start with JDK, Java Development Kit, JRE, Java Runtime Environment, JVM, Java Virtual Machine. These all these are nothing but a software. The JDK is a software as well as JRE is also a software. The JDK software can be downloaded from the Oracle website official site, and the latest version of JDK is JDK 8. So download JDK 8. So here, yeah, the Oracle website list, it gives us list of JDK available. So here, if you are using the Windows operating system, we have to download. If it is in 32-bit, you have to download x86. If it is 64-bit, you have to download the Windows JDK. So as we are aware of that, Java is a platform independent, but the JDK software is not platform independent. This is platform dependent. So we have to download this separate JDK as per our requirement. For example, if I am using a Mac OS, I have to download the Mac OS JDK. So I cannot install the Windows JDK to Mac OS or Mac OS to Windows, vice versa. So JDK is a Java development kit, is a software. So the use of JDK is, for example, yeah, if you have downloaded the JDK and installed in your computer, then you can find a Java folder inside the program files Java. So when you have successfully installed the JDK, you will find the two folders, JDK as well as JRE. So Java Runtime Environment, this software is also installed along with JDK. See, when we download the JDK from Oracle side, the JDK gives us JRE. The JDK contains the JRE folder inside. So when you install, the both of the softwares are installed successfully. So what this JDK contains? The JDK contains a directory bin database include JRE library source. In bin directory, we can find the Java compiler. The Java compiler is also a software. The use of the Java compiler is the Java compiler is used to translate or convert our Java source code into a bytecode. So we have a question: what is a bytecode? So bytecode is a unique code. So only Java virtual machine could understand. That is the reason that because of the bytecode, Java is platform independent. So which we will discuss in the later part of the tutorial. And here, let's go back. So JDK. The JDK is nothing but it is a software, and the use of JDK is it is used to develop a Java application. If you want to write a Java program in your computer without JDK, it is not possible. In order to write a Java source code, you need a JDK. JDK contains all the tools to write or develop a Java application or Java program. So hope you understand what is JDK and the use of JDK. Now let us discuss what is JRE. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Okay, here what is the use of Java Runtime Environment? The Java Runtime Environment, it is also a software, and the use of JRE is it is used to execute the Java program which is already compiled by Java compiler. For example, when we compile the source code, the compiler gives us a class file which contains a bytecode. So the JRE software, it accepts the bytecode because JRE contains the JVM. So Java Virtual Machine is integrated along with JRE. We need not install JVM because the JVM is already inside the JRE folder. We cannot see the JVM where it is. It is already inside. It's a virtual machine. It's a software integrated along with Java runtime environment. So here what we can do here is when we write, for example, so this is a file. So just I have written a skeleton of the program. So when we compile this class, what happens is compiler gives us a class file which contains the bytecode. So to execute this, we need a JVM. For example, I have a, let us take a situation. I have two computer, one computer and another one is a laptop. In computer, I have installed JDK. In laptop, I have installed only JRE. So the difference between the JDK and the JRE is, in this computer, I'm able to write a Java program. Sorry, in computer, I'm able to write a Java program, and I'm able to compile the program, and I will be able to execute the Java program. I can do whatever I want. I can write a Java program, I can compile it, because JDK contains the tools to write a Java program, as well as JDK contains a Java compiler to compile it, and JDK contains JRE. So JRE, which is integrated with JVM, which is used to execute our source code. But in this laptop, what I can do is I can only execute the Java program. I cannot write or I cannot compile in this laptop, because this laptop contains only the JRE. So Java Runtime Environment is a software which provides you the basic environment to execute the Java program. For example, I have a software which is developed by Java. So what I can do is I can only execute the program. I need not install the JDK into my computer to execute the Java program. To use the Java project, what I need is only JRE. To develop a Java project, I need both JDK and JRE. Hope you understand. So let me remind it again, the JDK and JRE. The difference between JDK and JRE is JDK. To develop a Java project, we need JDK. To only execute the Java project or Java software, we need JRE. Hope you understand what is JDK, JRE, and JVM. Thank you for watching.